everybody, welcome to this week's video. I decided I kind of want to start doing like weekly vlogs on this channel in addition to trying to put out more dress content. I just haven't posted a lot of long form videos the past few months and I'm trying to get back on track. So I feel like if I post vlogs, it will motivate me to A, be more productive, and B, I don't know, I think my life is kind of interesting. So yeah, I'm actually starting a new dress today. I posted about it over on Instagram, but I am starting a Barbie dress, the Magic of Pegasus, purple one at the end of the movie, because somehow I haven't done anything from that movie yet, which is a little bit surprising. So we're gonna start that today. I don't know how much of it I'm gonna like show you on this video because I'm gonna probably make a separate tutorial video for it, but I am really excited about that. I'm also making a prom dress right now because I'm going to prom next month. Hubert, my cat Hubert, is in a lot of videos, so if you've seen him, he's a little special. He's a special cat. So I'm getting his medicine ready because he's a medicated boy. Yeah, this is my morning routine. I play Little Alchemy every morning and night and get Hubert his little medicine. One thing I really need to get done today is clean out my sewing room because there's just so much junk in here, and I feel like cluttered when I work and I hate it. Like every single little drawer is just stuffed with crap. And even up here, things are just, it's so cluttered and overwhelming. So I really want to clean it out. The problem is I just don't have room. Like I have garbage bags. I just have too much stuff and I have nowhere to put it. So what I'm thinking of doing is I have an extra closet. I'm thinking of turning my extra walk-in closet into like a walk-in storage room. I might go to Target and get a bunch of bins and stuff because this room is really small and there's not a whole lot of space. So every bit of space I have, it's being used up. Like I keep a bunch of stuff in these. I have all of these, the drawers. This closet is truly so embarrassing. It needs an overhaul. But another thing is I have so much fabric, and what I do have a lot of, I can put on bolts, but there's so many things that I just have scraps where I feel bad throwing it away because I could probably use it, except I never even use my scraps, but I hoard them anyway, and I don't know what to do to display them to where I'll see them because they're so small. So right now, they're in like grocery reusable bags, but I'm wondering if I should get some clear bins so at least I can see what's inside the clear bin, even if it is just shoved in there. I don't know. We gotta see what we're doing. The worst part about cleaning things out is that you get so distracted. I was cleaning out my little rolling carts and I found this tie that my dad asked me to fix. So suddenly I've been spending the past 20 minutes hand sewing this tie back together instead of doing what I originally set out to do, which is clean this huge mess of stuff. I did finish that rolling cart though. It looks so good and suddenly it's like totally open for more stuff. So that's nice. I might as well finish off this tie. I've actually had enough of cleaning. Oh, hi Arthur. Hi baby. I'm gonna go take my dad this tie and then I have errands to run because suddenly all my measuring tapes have disappeared. Like I cannot find any of my retractable ones and I have a feeling it was that cat right there because he eats them. So I need to go get a few more of those. I ran out of grommets and I need grommets for the corset I'm making. And then I don't know what else I need. I know there was something else, but I can't think about it right now. I remembered what it was. I need to go to Target to get a bunch of like storage organizer things for the room, for my sewing room, and for the closet that I'm turning into storage. Also, this is totally random, but every time it rains, I get this giant puddle. It's like right in my driveway because the driveway kind of like dips down and it's the biggest nuisance ever. Dang, I didn't intend it, but somehow I meant to be here for a couple minutes and I ended up watching TikTok for an hour. But I need to go do errands and I hate running errands alone, but my sisters are gonna be at school till like 5, so sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. So we're gonna go, I'll take you with me to Target, Michael's. I gotta go to the pet store. Yeah. One thing I always notice, I get these flower ones. You get 50 of them for $7. And then the normal ones are the same price and you only get 25. So I always go for the flower ones. I hate filming in public, but I'm gonna put these in the car and then we'll run into PetSmart. it kind of is annoying that the cats have no aisles in PetSmart. The dogs have like aisles upon aisles upon aisles. The cats, 2 aisles. There's like more aisles for the fish than there are for cats. But I got Hubert more catnip. He's been loving catnip recently. Makes him go crazy. And I got cat litter. Not that you guys care that much about that. So now I just need to go get storage bins. And what else did I need? Oh, a measuring tape. There's so many options. Y'all, on the way into Target just now, this dude, I don't know if he was hitting his car or someone else's car. He's like punching a car and he was screaming. I didn't record it, but I wish I did. And everybody was like looking around in the parking lot and he went inside. I was like, is he gonna, you know, screaming, punching the car. Ugh! I was so scared. I finally got all my errands complete. I ended up just getting 1 bin to see how much fabric I can fit in it, and then I'll get another if I need to. And then got those little storage things and then the rest of my haul. Good morning. It's really sunny out this morning. We're going to go film my Snow White dress. Say hi. Hi. We're gonna go film my Snow White dress in the public park behind my house.
Do we look like twins?
No.
Everyone thinks we look like twins.
Sometimes. Okay.
This camera is so HD.
Photoshoot time. Say hi. Wait, it's gonna get dirt on it though.
I'm not. Yeah, you're gonna.
Oh, I lift up the bag.
I'm not doing that for you.
Oh, you're in it. Okay, turn.
Looks good regardless though. The sun and then also the trees in the back and not your house.
You gotta do this side now. I don't know what to do.
Okay. You know what? Let me do it.
You're in the vlog. I'll get Target getting a few more of these because I only bought 1 and I definitely need more. I think I might also get a garbage can for like scraps. This room is literally such a disaster. I gotta finish it today. I only got 2 more of these bins because they're kind of cheap. They're only like $8 each. But then once you start buying so many of them, it really adds up to be a lot. So one of these is gonna be for fabric scraps. And the other one is actually gonna be for my petticoats because for the past like maybe 1.5 years, I keep them in this box. But as you can see, the box is destroyed. So they need something a bit more substantial. My bag of petticoats. I've been meaning to do this for a long time, so I'm glad we're finally getting organized together. No, Hubert. I think it's a universal thing that if you give a cat a box, it will get in that box. Hello. After the whole weekend, you guys, we finally finished the room. It's so clean, it's so organized. It's gonna be so much nicer to work. I can actually sew now. It's all clean in there. I have my new sewing machine that brother just sent me. I actually bought a real garbage can. I've been using paper bags from the store. I have the scrap fabric bins and I have room to get another one if I need, but that's really good for now. I have my petticoat one. It looks so good. Then originally I had a ton of bolts of fabric in here, but most of them I've like never used. So I put those in my extra closet and I have room now to get nicer fabrics. This was only supposed to be a few hours project, but it took us the whole day and that's fine. Then this is the extra closet I had been telling you about. This is my old sewing machine that I'm saving just in case. I have my Cricut and my Brother ScanNCut. These are the fabric bolts that I moved out of my sewing room into here because I really never used them. Originally, all I kept in here were my handbags. Also, I have my Cricut press in here now. I put the Rosella fan up there. And then I also have this chair from the 18th century that I'm holding onto until I have a bigger space to use. And as you can see, I still have so much room if I need to make more storage space. Thank you for spending the weekend with me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this new kind of vlog style content, and I might do it some more. We'll see. I had a fun weekend, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Bye!